Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Redmi Note 8 Pro brings some new features to the table which none of the previous Redmi phone has. So let's check what those features are, and before we get into the video, if you end up liking the video then do consider subscribing to my channel, it really helps. Starting with the display, Redmi Note 8 Pro features an HDR enabled display which is first for Redmi Note series. HDR on smartphones means pumping up the brightness on that part of the image, video or game that are meant to be bright while keeping the dark colors dim. The effect of this is to better emphasize different colors and allow images to stand out in a striking way. Moving forward, Xiaomi introduced IP52 rating, which is better than just P2i nano coating. IP52 is not water resistant but provides some kind of security from water. As for dust protection, ingress of dust is not entirely prevented, but it protects from entering in sufficient quantity, and at this price I don't mind having IP52 rating. Xiaomi is also introducing auto cleaning speaker technology on Redmi Note 8 series that gets rid of dust from speaker cavity with the help of low frequency sound waves of 800 Hz. Personally, I haven't encountered any problem with other smartphones which don't have this technology, but this is just another addition from Xiaomi. The best thing about the Redmi Note 8 series is the inclusion of micro SD card slot to the Redmi Note lineup. The previous phones that featured micro SD card slot were Redmi Note and Note Prime in 2014 and 2015. Another huge improvement that Xiaomi has done is to bundle the 18W charger in the box with Redmi Note 8 series. This is for the first time Redmi is providing a fast charger with a Redmi Note series device. I think they should have done this from the very beginning, but better late than never. This time Redmi Note 8 Pro also gets 960fps and 240fps slow-mo recording in 720p resolution. And rest of the things about this phone you already know. So that's it for today guys. These were the things that you might have not known about the Redmi Note 8 Pro. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching this video. Peace out.